Two people named Emmy Logren and Charles Cullen used to work in a medical center. In fact, both of them were good friends. And Charles Cullen was a serial killer. So let's see what happened next. Charles Cullen started to work as a nurse from the year 1987 till the year 2002. He almost worked at 9 different hospitals. In the year 2002, on September, Charles joined the Somerset Medical Center. The medical center did not experience a higher number of deaths until Charles joined. After 11 months, that is on August 27, 2003, the medical center have experienced higher number of deaths than usual. And also few people died due to overdose of insulin and other drugs. Here, you should know about one thing, the New Jersey poison control. For example, a person have swallowed poison or unknown medicine. Then if you contact the New Jersey poison control, they will guide you to get out of the problem. Think of it as a toll-free number. When the hospital experienced higher number of deaths on August 27, 2003, the New Jersey Poison Control alerted the medical center and also informed that some employee in the medical center might be killing the patients. But yet, the hospital ignored. Here, you should know about another person, that is Emmy Logren. She was a co-worker with Charles and they both used to work together in the medical center at night shifts. And in fact, they were good friends. As the time passed, Emmy began to suspect Charles when she noticed that he's accessing the records of patients which were not under his control. And after few days, the patients used to die. So she reported to the health authorities about Charles. After a month, another patient died with low blood sugar. This time, the hospital reacted and conducted an internal investigation. In the internal investigation, it was found that Charles had given false information in his job application in order to join the medical center. And it was also found that he had gave drugs in overdose to patients. For these two reasons, the medical center just fired him. False application means, for example, let us take Charles had worked in the Seven Hills Hospital before joining the Somerset Medical Center. But in order to join the Somerset Medical Center, in the job application he had mentioned that no, I didn't work in the Seven Hills Hospital, but I did work in the Care Hospital. As the New Jersey Poison Control also alerted the medical center about unusual deaths. So in order to save their reputation and also for the patient safety, they reported to the authorities about the deaths in the medical center. And two investigators named Tim Braun and Danny Baldwin were appointed to investigate about the deaths in the medical center. When they arrived at the medical center, they started their investigation and got to know that before joining this medical center, Charles had worked in 9 different medical centers and all the medical centers have experienced higher unusual deaths. They also found that Charles had given different drugs to the patients even though which was not needed to them. This made them suspect Charles. It was also found that he had accessed the records of patients which were not under his unit. So these incidents made the investigators suspect Charles even more. As Emmy is a good friend to Charles, so the two detectives asked Emmy for her participation in their investigation. As Emmy also felt strange about Charles's behavior, so even though she is suffering from heart problems, but still she actively participated in the investigation. The detectives asked Emmy to wear a recorder and invite Charles to a restaurant. As per the plan, Emmy had invited Charles for a lunch in a restaurant and talked to Charles about the deaths in the medical center and also asked him to surrender to the police. But Charles did not agree and was trying to leave the restaurant, and then the police arrested him. Later he confessed that he killed 29 people in the past 16 years, but the detectives believed that he almost killed 400 people. The evidence collected by the detectives and the voice evidence from Emmy made him to spend the rest of his life in the jail. So this is how the serial killer was caught and now he is in the jail. In our channel, we will get to know about different incidents which took place in someone's life. So even if an interesting incident took place in your life, then share it to me through Snapchat or either Instagram. Then I will make a video and upload it in our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.